And hello, good afternoon, Mirna. Kumusta? How are you?
Hi, I'm great. I'm great.
So, anong pakiramdam ngayon na may corona ka na?
It's like I'm walking on cloud nine, honestly. And this is just a dream before, and now it's finally here. But I don't think it's reality pa din at this moment.
Hindi pa nagsisink in?
Hindi pa. It's a lot talaga,
Oo.
and hindi enough yung 1 to 2 days to sink it all in.
Mm-mm.
More days. I need more time.
So, Mirna, alam mo naman na
Mhm.
final callbacks pa lang, hinanting na talaga kita from the very beginning of your journey. Nasubaybayan kita.
I
How do you
know.
feel that finally may corona ka na?
All the hard work really paid off. Alam mo, Sir Jason, every night for the whole 110 days during my journey in Binibining Pilipinas, every time before I go to sleep, I manifested my crowning moment.
Mm-mm.
And at first, blurred talaga yung face ko dun sa kina-crown na lady. But as the coronation nears, it gets clearer. But of course, wala talagang expectation. I hate expecting talaga. So I'm just really that night, what's on my mind is I will do good. I will really enjoy every moment in this competition so that I will never regret anything tonight. Yun
So,
talaga siya.
no regrets during
No
the
regrets.
entire evening.
No regrets.
No
Really.
regrets. So, Mirna, one of the things that everybody was saying is yung ganda ng hubog ng katawan, ganda ng mukha. Um, Other than that, what do you think yung other qualities na nagpanalo sa'yo?
It's my character. I
Mm.
believe it's my character talaga. The way I approach things, it's all about positivity lang.
Mm-mm.
But not to the point of toxicity na positivity.
Ah,
It's more like my binibini journey, it's not very so smooth. I had
mm-mm.
encountered challenges talaga. Big challenges. But the way I approach it, it's like, what can I do to solve this?
Mm-mm.
I'm not gonna cry lang sa
Mm-mm.
gilid because some things didn't work out. What I did is I always think, what can I do? I have plan B, plan C, plan D. No matter how many it is, I have
Mm-mm.
it.
Ah.
So that's how I approach things. So now that I'm finally here, I think that one of the reason that I was able to made it
Mm-mm.
throughout the whole competition is that way and to
Mm-mm.
really have fun. It's
Mm-mm.
important that we have fun and you should focus on the things that will matter to you 5 to 10 years from now. Alam mo yun, yung wala kang regret talaga. It's really important. And that's what I did. I focus on my preparation. I focus on what the things that I can improve more. So I'm able to do it because I'm more focused than ever. Although I didn't let that to lose the things that will make me enjoy the competition, like building sisterhood, building friendship with my sisters, and really just enjoying the time in Binibining Pilipinas.
Ayan. Um, Mirna, naramdaman mo ba na mukhang may laban ako from the very beginning? Or was it something that you only felt closer towards the finals?
The thing is, I don't really think that way.
Oo.
Talaga, from the very beginning, lalaban ako.
Okay.
Yun yung sinabi ko sa sarili ko. And that's what I promised din sa team ko. Now, don't worry guys, I got this.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko kayo i-disappoint because I know that this is not my journey alone.
Mm-mm.
I have team behind me. Talagang totoo yung sinabi nila na it takes a village to make a queen talaga. And I have so many people around me na I know they will be there no matter what happened. And I dedicated this journey to them and also to myself.
Ah.
That's why I'm really happy with everything that has happened.
So, have you already thought of how am I going to spend my 1 million cash prize?
I did some of it. The thing, before the year began, I
Mm.
prayed and I make it one of my bucket list talaga to have my first million this year.
Oo.
And also, when I went to Taiwan nga, we flew a lantern. And one of the things that I wrote there is crown for 2024. Yeah,
So,
so
nagkatotoo lahat.
yeah, I manifested everything, but yes, I can say that the stars aligned for me. But it's not enough for the stars to align. You really have to work hard for it. Hindi ka pwedeng magsayang or hindi ka pwedeng maging kampante lang because it's important na you will do your best in everything para hindi mo malose yung momentum mo. So, with my first 2 million, yes, I already have plans for some of it because it's a huge amount of money.
Yeah.
So actually, I told this then with Sir Arnel after the coronation na I will help more children under World Vision Philippines because as you know, I am sponsoring a child now and his name is
Yes.
Summer. So I plan to do that with more children under World Vision Philippines.
So, Mirna, last question. What do you plan to do now with your title aside from your preparations for Miss International next year?
Well, I have been in this position now because of a lot of people and because I know that I need to do something, not only for myself, not only for the people that I love, but also to people that I don't know, that I know that they need help. So I'm so open to working with the organization, with their causes. As we all know, Binibining Pilipinas is focused to doing charities. So I know that I'm ready and I know that I want to do this with Binibining Pilipinas to transform more lives, especially the lives of the children. As someone who grew up without all the resources that I needed, I know how hard it is for these children to experience that same experience with mine. So I'm here help to help these children.
Yeah.
Well, of course, with Binibining Pilipinas.
Yes.
So, with my reign, I want to help more people.
Yeah.
Help more children.
Yes, definitely. And final thing, can you invite everyone to support you and your message na rin for your friends, family, and ask everyone to follow you on your socials. Ayan.
Hindi pa ako nakakapag-post actually. Yeah, kasi ang daming sumuporta sa akin on this journey. And I'm really letting it sink in first. So now I'm gonna do my appreciation speech to all the people who's been there since the very first. Of course, it starts with you, sir. Every event talaga nakikita kita, Sir Jason. And I'm
Thank
so
you.
thankful that you believed in me. And to all the people who believed in me, especially the people from Abra, the amount of support you guys have given me, really, it's so much. And I'm really grateful for each one of you. And I am so happy that I represent you here in Binibining Pilipinas, and I hope that I made you proud. To my family, thank you so much for being my backbone in this competition. It was a long and hard and challenging journey, but I was able to manage it because I know that I have these genuine people behind me. Thank you so much, and to all the people I don't know, but still supports me. Thank you so much. I am humbly grateful for all the love that I'm receiving, and I hope that you will continue to support me for my next competition, which is scheduled next year. But of course, let's support then our Miss International 2023, Angelica Lopez, for her upcoming competition in Miss International 2024, happening this December. And if you guys please kindly follow my social media account for you guys to be updated with everything that is happening with my reign, and of course follow Binibining Pilipinas page as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mirna.
Thank you, Sir Jason.